Hari Om. Welcome everybody to the regular Sanskrit lessons, Sanskrit story time, and how to pronounce Sanskrit in Sanskrit, Sanskritam. Sanskritam. Say with me, San, like a nasal sound. San, Sanskritam. Welcome to this Sanskritam story time. Katha Samayaha. Eshaha Grishma Kalaha. This is summer time. Ataha esha katha samyak bhavatu. That's why this story would be very appropriate. Katha nama Chaturaha Kakaha. The name of the story is Chaturaha Kakaha, the clever crow. Ekaha Kakaha asti. There is a crow. Saha Bahu Trishitaha. It is very thirsty. Saha Jalartham Bhramati. He roams about for water. Tada Grishma Kalaha. Then it is summer time. Kutrapi Jalam Nasti. Water is nowhere. Kutrapi nowhere. Jalam Nasti. Water is nowhere. Kakaha Kashtena Bahuduram Gachati. With great effort, the crow travels long distance. Tatra Saha Ekang Ghatam Pashyati. Tatra Saha Ekang Ghatam Pashyati. There he sees one pot. Ghatam, one pot. Kakasya Ativa Santoshaha Bhavati. Kakasya Ativa Santoshaha Bhavati. Crow is very happy. Kakasya Ativa Santosha Bhavati. The crow feels very happy. Kintu Ghate Swalpam eva jalam asti. But in that container, there is only a little water. Jalang katham pibami iti kakaha chintayati. How can I drink the water? Thus thinks the crow. Saha ekam upayang karoti. He finds one way. Shilakhandan anayati. He brings pebbles, pieces of stones. Shilakhandan anayati. Ghate Purayati, fills in the pot. Jalam upari agachati. Water comes up in the container. Kakaha santoshana jalam pibati. The crow drinks the water in content. Tataha gachati. Afterward, it goes. So, Chaturaha Kakaha, very widely known katha story. Aham punaha Pathami. I read again. Katha Chaturaha Kakaha. Ekaha Kakaha asti. Saha Bahu Trishitaha. Saha Jalartham Bhramati. To find water, he roams about. Tada Grishma Kalaha. It is summertime. Putrapi Jalam Nasti. Water is nowhere. Kakaha Kashtena Bahudurang Gachati. With great effort, the crow travels long distance, travels far. Very far. Tatra saha ekang ghatam pashyati. There he finds one pot. Kakasya ativa santoshaha bhavati. Great contentment arises in the crow. Kintu ghate swalpameva jalam asti. But there is only little water in the container. Jalam katham pibami iti kakaha chintayati. How can I drink the water? Thus thought the crow. Saha ekam upayang karoti. He finds one way. Shilakhandan anayati. He brings pieces of stones or pebbles. Ghate purayati. In the pot, it fills the pebbles. Jalam upari agachati. Water comes up. Kakaha santoshena jalam pibati. The crow drinks the water with contentment. Tataha gachati. Then he flies away. So this was our story, our katha in Sanskritam for today. Thank you so much for joining. Hope to see you in the next session. Take care. Hari Om. Shubhamastu.